Hello friends, in this video we normally see how we can install XAMPP on Windows 11. First, the thing you have to go to the Google and type XAMPP Server. Here you get the first link named as Apache Friends. So click on this link. Here you can find the different version that you can install on XAMPP on Windows, Linux and Apple OS. So now we are installing on Windows, so just go to the latest version. Download it. It's 161 MB. It will take some time to download based upon your internet speed. Now the installer has been downloaded, so just open it up. You can get some warnings, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. Now click on next. Here you can see the different component that has been installed with XAMPP. You got the servers, the programming languages. So the best option is to select all. It doesn't matter, it will not take too much of your computer speed and it will not slow your computer down. So just next, 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 next. The web page will open, but it's okay, just go back to the setup. Now it's preparing for the setup. It will take a little bit of time, but not that much. It's almost complete. Now it will give you this firewall, so allow access. The installation has been finished. It will ask you to open the control panel. Let's finish it up and open it up. So here the XAMPP control panel. So here you can just type start to start any of the module. So that's the whole installation of XAMPP on a Windows 11 PC. It's very easy and very straightforward. Hope you can find my video helpful. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.